Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover revision test 2 continuation. In the previous videos we covered section 1, and in the previous video we covered section 2, 11th question, right? Now we are going to cover 12th question, guys. Two cubes of each volume 27 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the TSA of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes of each volume 27 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the TSA of the resulting cuboid. Let's start. So then what is the TSA of a cuboid? TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right? So substitute the values, students. What is L, what is B, what is H? Okay, now after substituting we get 2 into 45, students. It becomes 90 square centimeters. Therefore, the surface area of the resulting cuboid is 90 square centimeters. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, if you want to make a note, make a note. Thank you.